The best way to really maintain your battery is to drive your vehicle as much as possible. But for some of us, with multiple cars, it's just not going to happen. Having a battery sitting connected to your car can slowly drain the battery to flat in as quick as 6 weeks, especially for modern cars with all their built-in electronics. Well, CTEK have the perfect solution for your battery charging and maintenance needs. Here we have the range of home use 7 and 8 stage CTEK battery chargers. They range from 0.8 amps through to 3.8, 5, 7 and 10 amp varieties. These battery chargers have a few smarts in them to make sure that they're safe to use. They've got functionality where if you put the clamps on the incorrect side of your terminals, as well as having the ability to make sure that the battery can actually be charged before putting any current through it at all. The MXS CTEK battery charger range has the patented automatic desulfation program, and it comes with a special Snowflake mode for optimum charging on those cold winter days. The LED display ensures that the entire testing, charging and maintenance process of battery rejuvenation can be easily followed. All CTEK MXS battery chargers are perfect as a trickle charger for your vehicles, making sure that your battery is fully charged and ready to go even after a long wait in the garage. For those of you with workshops or dealerships, well, Repco has the CTEK Pro range of battery chargers. They're built tough to take on the dust, knocks and abuse that you can often get in workshops and garages. They've got strong construction, high amperage output. They're 15 and 25 amp chargers. They're perfect for charging needs every day of the week across plenty of vehicles. So if you're planning on putting your vehicle into a long hibernation, chuck a CTEK battery charger in your cart and head to the checkout.